Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, is this visible for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is there on the screen?
Sir, Vedic maths.
Vedic maths.
Maths
Yes, yes, Vedic maths. Vedic maths introduction.
Then conventional methods.
Yeah, before going to know this topic, know this subject, first let us see the uses of this subject, uses of this these techniques. Okay.
Mm.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt in how we'll take base and how we
Sorry?
can decide how we can
How
take
can
how
we can take subbase and base.
yes, sir.
How we can take?
Base and sub-base.
and,
Base and
and
subbase.
also bar
Oh,
and
okay,
also
okay,
bar.
okay. All of you, wait. All your doubts will be clarified. All of your doubts will be clarified. Okay. My suggestion is, before watching this video, before learning these concepts, my suggestion is keep your mind empty first. Okay. Keep your mind empty and you are learning from the basic, from zero level. Okay. You don't know anything now. As of now, you don't know anything. Now we are starting learning. Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
As and when situation comes, you can ask your doubts then. Okay. All your doubts will be clarified
Okay, sir.
later. In the beginning, it may be, it seems very easy, but later on it will be, and using those same techniques only, we can solve difficult questions also. Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
First of all,
do we have 6:30 max class?
I don't know
6:30
that.
math class is
It will
regular
be
math.
there.
Tomorrow.
It will be there in your group messages. Okay. Yeah. Say this.
So users of Vedic maths.
Uses of Vedic maths. We'll go one by one. Yeah. First is, it helps a person to solve math problems nearly 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional methods. So here, what are the conventional methods?
Sir, what we use
Means what we used in daily life maths.
Yeah, what you are using now,
Yes.
what you are using now in academics or in school level or in competitive point of view, what you are using now, they are the conventional methods. Okay. Now we are going to learn Vedic techniques by using which we can solve the questions nearly 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional method, the regular methods. Okay. Next
Okay,
is,
sir.
it helps in intelligent guessing. Intelligent guessing means
Within fraction of seconds.
that is okay. And intelligent guessing means what will be the next step? What will be the next step? That is intelligent guessing. What is going to happen next? Okay. And the next is,
it reduces burden.
yeah, it reduces
It
burden.
reduces the burden
Yeah,
for
it will
learning
reduce the
tables
burden.
option.
It is okay. But to reduce that burden, the bracket is there. Something is there written in the bracket.
By
What is it?
chapter 9.
By
Yeah.
learning tables up to 9.
Yes. Before that, we should be perfect with the basic 9 tables. All of you are perfect, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Basic 9 tables.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
ask
sir.
anywhere? Anyone?
Yes,
Anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
9 tables.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 8 fours.
9.
Sir, 8 4.
32, sir.
8 4s are 32, sir.
Yeah, you have to answer immediately. Okay. 9 3s are
27.
27.
29.
27.
27.
Yes, yes. Children, one point to mention here. If any one of you having any doubts in the sessions which we are going to deal, if you are feeling shy to ask your doubt publicly, you may write personally IDK in the chat box. You can write personally IDK. IDK means I don't know. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, you can ask your doubts publicly only, because if you ask your doubt, then other people also will going to learn the thing, right? Anytime, anywhere, you can ask your doubts. Then only I can understand you are understanding how much you are understanding my class.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah. The next thing is, it is a magical tool that reduces scratch work and finger count. So, what is this finger count means?
Count numbers with a finger,
Yes,
sir.
yes. In LKG or UKG in basic level, we learned in that way only, na? Mathematics, additions. Suppose if anyone,
Yes,
if
sir.
you ask for any students in LKG or UKG or first class, what is the 6 plus 5? If you ask that question,
They will count like this.
yeah, they will keeping 6 in the mind. Keeping 6 in the mind, they will count from 7, 8, 9, 10,
7,
11,
8,
5.
9, 10, 11.
Suppose if it is 6 plus 5, it is okay.
7 after 8.
6 plus 5, it is okay. Suppose if it is 6 plus 10,
16.
okay. Then also okay.
16.
I will use a second hand also. If it is a plus 15, we'll use leg fingers also. If it is more than 20, we'll borrow fingers from our friends.
No, sir.
We should.
Yes, yes. It will take very time.
It's a magical.
Yes or no?
And also scratch
And-
means we will do always in the rough, so that is very
Sorry?
when we'll do in the rough work also it will reduce it since is mentioned.
I cannot get that. I didn't get that. What is that?
Sir, the magic tool that reduces the scratch work.
Okay,
When
you
we
are
do
reading that
full
one.
of the rough.
Right. Yeah, it is a magic tool that reduces scratch work and finger count. We cannot do anything rough or we cannot do any finger count directly by using mentally. Mentally, we can answer the questions. Without using pen, paper, we can answer the questions. You may feel wonder. Sometimes we can do the problems faster than the calculators also. Using these techniques, we can solve the questions faster than the calculators also. Maybe somebody may typing in the calculator, but we have already ready with the answer also. Okay. Right. If you think mentally, you can increase your concentration also. Yes or no? Everything you need to think with the mind. Then automatically concentration will be increasing.
Yes, sir.
Next is, it helps in reducing silly mistakes. You cannot do any silly mistakes because we will not use pen and paper. We'll use only mind. There will be no silly mistakes. And next point is, it helps in improving mental ability, reasoning skills, logical skills, and analytical skills. Maybe this terminology is a new to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Mental ability, reasoning ability, logical
Yes, sir.
ability, and analytical ability.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, after completion of your education, you are going to do what?
Learn this all.
Yeah, job.
So
After completion of your education.
Yes, sir. Job.
Yes. To get the job, first of all, you have to write some
study well.
entrance exam.
Yes,
Right?
and be an interview, sir.
Yeah, we call that as a competitive exams, entrance exams.
Interview.
Yeah, why we are
colleges, right, sir?
sorry?
That's for colleges, not for jobs. Jobs only have interviews, right?
Yeah, I'm telling after education, after your complete
yes, sir.
education. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
After schooling, then college, after
Yes,
college,
sir.
then job.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Next, see, it is a faster, efficient, and easy to learn and use also. It is easy to
Yes,
learn
sir.
and easy to use also. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is, in most of the cases, it gives one line answer, whereas in conventional methods, we require step by step in several
Yes,
steps.
sir.
Maybe in academics, in your academics, it is compulsory to write your step by steps only to get, suppose if a question is for 5 marks, or
Yes,
if a
sir.
question is for 10 marks, that much content is required to write. But when it comes to competitive exams, you don't need to write anything on the paper. Just you have to answer the question.
Sir, because there will be MCQ questions for that.
Yes.
There will be MCQ questions for that.
Because there's a time factor, sir, right? That's why.
Yeah, MCQ questions, multiple answer questions, multiple choice questions, right?
Yes,
Yeah, there will be A, B, C, D, and you may do calculation or you may not do calculation.
Yes, sir.
You may use your brain or you may use pen and paper. You have to answer that question correctly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for that it is very much helpful. So it will give one line answers, right? These are the uses of introduction. How are the uses? Helpful?
Of Vedic math.
It is helpful.
It helps a person to solve math problem nearly 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional methods, sir.
Yes, yes. All these things will be given to you as a PDF, right? No need to
Yes,
write them
sir.
separately.
Yes, sir.
If it is
Yes,
required,
sir.
I'll tell you to write them, right?
Sir, you will share this PDF in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll share the PDF, right?
Sir,
Next
your
is-
voice is.
Yes, sir. History of Vedic maths.
Yeah,
History of
how
Vedic
it is
math.
originated. How it is originated. Let us see that one. History of Vedic.
the golden age of India.
Yeah.
Sir, what is Tirthaji?
Have you heard this word Vedic? Veda,
Old.
ancient,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Veda means ancient.
Very old,
the transcript.
very old. Vedas time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. During the Vedic.
Yes, sir. During Vedic periods.
Yes. How many Vedas are there?
There are 3 Vedas.
Six.
Sir, four, sir.
4 Vedas.
Four Veda.
Yeah, four Vedas are there. What are those?
Sir, Rigveda,
Rig Veda,
Samaveda,
Samaveda, Atharvana Veda,
and Yajurveda. Yes, sir.
and Yajurveda.
Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and
Arthamana
Sarvaveda.
Atharvana Veda.
Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda. Our Vedic maths comes under Atharva Veda. It's a branch in Atharva Veda. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vedic mathematics is a system of reasoning and mathematical working based on ancient Indian teachings. So our previous ones, our ancestors they did not learn first class, second class, third class, fourth class, right? Rishis,
Yes, sir.
sages, they learned only those 4 Vedas, right? That's why the name become Vedic maths. Yeah, after Vedas, it is rediscovered from Vedas between 911 and 918 by whom?
Sri
Sri
Bharati
Krishna
Tirthaji.
Tirthaji. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji.
Krishna Tirthaji.
You can type in Google, you can see his photo also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bharati Krishna Tirthaji.
Okay, sir.
Bharati Krishna Tirthaji, sir.
Yes. According to Bharati Krishna Tirthaji, all of Vedic maths is just based on 16 sutras. Just 16 sutras are there.
16 Sutra. Okay.
Yeah, complete Vedic maths is based on these 16 sutras only. Those 16 sutras we also call them as word formulae.
Sir, only that many, sir? 16 sutras?
Yeah, complete Vedic maths is with these 16 sutras only.
Sir, how
But,
much
but he has not given in this way, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b squared plus 2ab. He has not given in that way. He has given in a word formula, like words.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes,
Ekadikena
cost of-
purvena. Ekadikena purvena. Right? Like that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next is, it is an ancient technique which simplifies arithmetical operations, and arithmetical operations are like additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, square roots, cubes, cube roots, etc. You know all these things.
Yes,
You know squares and square roots.
sir. Once again, look at
Yes, sir. We know squares and square roots.
Okay. And using these techniques, even
Yes,
we
sir.
can solve algebraic operations also.
Sir?
Algebraic operations.
Algebra. Oh.
First of all, we can divide complete maths into two categories.
Sir?
Complete maths we can divide into two categories. One is arithmetic. Arithmetic
and
algebra.
Sir?
Yes.
algebra.
Sir, I don't know roots and square roots.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, we don't know squares.
No problem. No
square roots and
problem.
cubes.
Okay. Just I asked, do you know or not? That's all. No problem. We'll learn all those things. Right. Complete mathematics is divide. We can divide into two parts. They are arithmetic and algebra. What is the difference between arithmetic and algebra? Yes.
Sir, arithmetic is.
Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, algebraic is in the method of
Equation.
Tell me.
Expression,
2
sir.
plus 3 is how much?
Algebra
is in the form of
2 plus 3 is how much?
in the 5.
Sir, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
5
Five.
is 2 known thing or not known?
Known thing.
No.
3 is known thing or not known?
It is known
3
thing.
is known thing. sir.
Question mark is a known thing or not known?
Not
It is
known.
not known. It is
Yeah,
not
from
known.
we are moving from known thing to unknown thing or unknown to known.
Known to unknown.
Known to unknown.
Yeah, we are moving from known to unknown.
Because when we
If you are moving from known to unknown means that is arithmetic.
Arithmetic operation.
when
To
we
unknown.
don't know.
Suppose I'll ask another
Sir,
question.
in
Answer
algebra,
this
we are
one.
going to unknown to known.
Some 5 plus how much is 8?
Plus 3.
3, sir. 3.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
This question mark is a known thing or unknown thing?
No.
Known thing.
Unknown thing.
Unknown thing, sir.
What is 8 is known thing.
Thing.
We are moving from unknown to known or known to unknown?
Unknown to
Known to
unknown.
known.
Unknown to
Unknown
known.
to known.
Yeah,
Unknown
if
to
we are
known.
moving from unknown to known, then it will be algebra.
Means we don't know what is the question mark, but we know the number 5 plus 3 is equal to 8.
Sorry?
And
That's it.
in the
That's it.
Yeah,
sir.
you know these things, okay. I have asked in a basic level only.
but sir, in algebra we use variables and constants.
Unknown to
Yes,
known.
sir.
Yes,
Known.
ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Variable
we'll
and
use
constants and
in place of
expressions.
question mark, we'll use x, right? 5
Yes,
plus
sir.
x
Yes,
equal to
sir.
8,
5
then x
plus
will
x
be
is equal to
5
8 or
plus
8.
5 is positive on the
5
right
plus-
side. When it go to left side positive, when it go to right side, it will be
5 plus 5
8
plus
minus
x is equal to 11.
five.
That type of
Yes,
question.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Minus
so.
plus minus.
Vedic maths techniques are useful for both these two, arithmetic operations as well as algebraic operations. Okay. Along with these two, these techniques are helpful for recurring decimals also. Recurring decimals means, have you seen this type of decimals?
No, sir.
0.8,
No, sir.
8,
No,
8,
sir.
and so on. Will represent
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir.
Represent this.
Whenever divide, we will get.
It goes on infinity. It goes on infinity.
Yeah, Yeah, where is the disturbance?
Sir, it's from Raghav.
Okay, no problem. We'll represent this one by pointer 8 bar. Yeah, this type of decimals are called recurring decimals. And this type of decimals also can be solved using Vedic techniques. And lastly, auxiliary fractions also can be handled with the Vedic maths. Auxiliary fractions means,
Sir.
auxiliary fractions means in the denominator, if one or more than one nines are there, it will be called as auxiliary fraction. Suppose 29 or 299 or 399, like these fractions, 199. Okay, this type of fractions also can be solved using Vedic maths technique.
Fractions are so hard.
When we suppose 2 by 3 is there, when we 3 by 2 is there, when we divide we will get as in the form of decimal.
Yeah, that is okay. As we have told the answer as 1 by 2 equal to 0.5, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, sir.
In the same way, can you answer this one? 1 by 19 is how much directly, immediately?
1 by 19.
Yeah, after learning Vedic maths, we can answer that one also, like 1 by 2.
Ma'am, sir, once again you can repeat the question.
So your Zoom meeting will end in 10 minutes. Again, you join, right? Okay, after
Yes, sir.
disconnected, when you connect again.
Sir, the class is still, sir?
No, till 4 to 5, 1 hour.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah, now we are going to see those 16 sutras. Ready?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the 16
Sir,
sutras.
there
First one is
okay.
Ekadikena Purvena.
Budvena.
Ekadikena Purvena. I'll send you PDF. You practice at home, right?
Okay, sir.
The same thing is given in English translation.
All from
This is in
by
Hindi.
one, by one, then by
This is in
one.
Hindi, na? On the right hand side, he has given in the English translation.
Okay.
What is that one?
By the
By one more
By
than
one more
one
than the
before.
one before.
all from 9.
Okay. 1 minute. One minute. I'm explaining the thing here. Eka means
1.
one. Adhika means
More than one.
more. One more.
More than
Purva means
Purva
one
previous
before.
one.
before.
Yeah, before or previous one, right? So one more than the previous one. That is called Ekadikena Purvena. By one more than the one before. In the same way,
sir.
next is Nikhilam Navata Charmam Dashataha. Nikhilam Navata Charmam Dashataha. Nikhilam means all the things. Nava means 9.
9.
Charamam means Charamam, the last. Dashata means
The last.
10.
10.
10. Means all from 9 and the last is from 10. In the same way, Urdhvarthi Vighyam means Urdhva,
Vertically and crosswise.
vertically and crosswise. We'll solve the questions vertically as well as crosswise in this way. Okay. Read all those things by taking PDF, okay, at home.
Okay, sir.
Right.
But sir, in
Here,
the
translation
PDF,
is given
circles
here.
are there, na, sir.
Yes, all the translation is given here. Ekadikena
Yes, sir.
Purvena. This is easy na to read.
Yes, sir.
Nikilam
Yes,
Navata
sir.
Charanam Charamam Dashataha.
Ekadina Purvena
Yes,
Nikilam
sir.
Urdhva Triyagdhyam.
Navashatah Matashataha.
Right.
Suvatirag. Yeah.
Along with the 16 sutras, he has provided sub-sutras also. These are the sub-sutras. These are the sub-sutras. These are the sutras.
1 minute, sir. I'm taking. Yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, for the meaning of sub-sutras will be same, sir.
No. Sutra, sutra consists of sub-sutra. Anywhere extensions are there, we will present in that. Okay.
Sir.
Here corollary means.
Excuse me, sir.
Atidhi, have a doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, does sutras and subsutras have the same meaning?
No, not same. In this sutra, this is one of sub-sutra.
Okay.
Okay, your physics subject is there, physics book is there, in that one chapter like.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
It is sutra and this is sub.
Means one chapter is divided into
Corollary.
sub
What is this?
chapters
What is meant by this corollary?
related to it.
Related.
Yeah, corollary means which is already proven. All these things are already proven. Okay. Let's see sample examples of how which type of questions we can solve using these Vedic math techniques. Okay. Anybody can do this question, right? No need to answer. No need to answer. Just give the response. Everybody can answer this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple mathematics only. But in what time?
Yes,
But in what time?
Sir,
Some will take 1 minute, right? Some will take 2 minutes.
1 to 2 minutes.
Some will take 5 minutes also.
it will take 1 minute.
Can anybody solve this question in 5 seconds?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, we can solve the questions using Vedic techniques. We can solve these questions in less than 10 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds.
Sir, you try.
Not only this question, this is simple addition only. See the next question, that's it.
Minus.
Subtraction. Then see the next question. Can you solve this question also in 10 seconds, sir?
No, sir.
Yes, we can
Sir,
solve.
sir,
We
Sir,
can
I
solve.
can
Sir,
do
we will
this.
take a minimum 2 minutes.
Yeah. By the end of this subject, we'll solve all these questions in 10 seconds only.
Sir, I can do the sixth one, sir, in 1 minute.
Okay. No need to write anything.
Even I, sir.
Sir, can
Yeah,
you
even I, sir. 61.
I'll send a
Even I.
complete PDF. No need to write anything. Just I'm showing the questions.
say plus
That one answer is
56 lakhs. Sir, 56 lakhs 153,075.
Sorry, which one?
Sir, third answer.
Third answer. Very good. Right. Then see, just the sample questions only. Now we are not going to solve these questions. We'll solve as and when situation comes. Okay. Either this type of questions also we can solve using Vedic techniques. Okay. These are sample questions. Next, we'll come to the first sutra. What is that one? Ekadikena purvena. By one more than the one before. By one more than the one before.
Before.
Yes. How many numbers we have in mathematics?
Sir,
Yes, correct.
Infinite, sir.
How many numbers we have in mathematics, sir?
Uncountable, sir. It goes.
Uncountable, infinite. How many digits are there in mathematics, sir?
Uncountable.
Uncountable,
How
sir.
many digits are there in mathematics, sir? Yeah,
Yes,
it
sir.
is not uncountable.
Yes, sir.
It is not uncountable. We can count.
Sir, it is 9, sir. 9.
Yeah, just there are 10 digits only.
Sir,
Just
there
there
are
are
10 digits, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, there are 10 digits, but anyone is spelling 9.
Yeah, 10 digits only. What are the 10 digits?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1 to 10.
6,
5,
7,
6,
8,
7,
9,
8.
10.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, 10.
10.
10. Sir, from
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sir.
Somebody are again and again going to join. Why?
Sir, only 1 minute.
Yeah, in next 1 minute it is going to close, disconnect, and we'll connect it again. No problem. Okay, we'll continue. What is the circle? We call this circle as a 10-point circle. How many points are there on the circle?
points.
10
10
points.
points.
So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, if you continue the circle, then this will be
0.
0.
10 after 9.
And 11 and 12 will go.
After 10, 11. Then
11, 12,
13,
13, 14, 15, 16,
17, 18, 20, and later again
And at
20.
21, at
Then this will be 22 and so on.
23.
Okay.
Like that will go on.
Yeah. Is there any speciality in the circle? Do
No,
you find any speciality in the circle?
Sir, one more then one before.
No, sir.
One more number is coming.
No
sir.
speciality.
Yes, sir. One more number and
Observe,
one
observe this
before.
one clearly. Yeah, that is okay. One more than the previous one. That is okay. Is there any other speciality in the circle?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, time.
Sir, can I say, sir? I'm Pranav, so can I say?
Time. Sir, with only these 10 digits, we can write so many numbers.
Yes, yes.
And
Here the
sir, while
speciality
adding
is if you
these
observe,
numbers also 10
suppose
is coming, sir.
this one I'm taking it as a 2 branch. This
Yes, sir.
now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Sir, the ending numbers are same. For example, if we take 18 branch, after that 28 and 38. So if we see the common number is 8, that too in the same place, the ones place.
Yes, very good, very good. In every branch, the end digits are same. The last digit is same.
Yes, sir.
In 2's branch, all are 2's only. In 3's branch, all the end digits are 3's only. That is the speciality of this circle. And
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
except that 2 in 2's branch, except that 2 and the remaining numbers are 10 multiples or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once. Yes. That is one speciality of this circle. And one more speciality is there. It is given on the right hand side. See. What is that one? The opposite numbers. 9 plus 1 is how much?
10.
10. 8
8
plus 2 is
8
also
plus 2
10.
is 10.
10.
And
7 plus 3?
3 is 10.
10. And 6 plus 4 is
Plus
also
4 is 10.
10. And here we can take 5 as it is 5 again. Because it will be 0.
5 equal to 10.
Okay, 5 plus 5 is also 10.
10.
Means every opposite number pair. Can you find any more pairs other than these 5 to get 10?
Sir, can we choose 2-3 numbers?
No. Only 2 numbers. Only 2 numbers. Can you give any other pair to get 10 other than these 5? I'm writing those 5 pairs on the right hand side.
In addition or in subtraction also, sir?
1 plus 9. In addition only. Completely in addition only. Because Aikadikena Purvena by 1 more than the before. Okay.
Okay.
Presently we are dealing with the plus only, and it means additions only. 1 plus 9. Give other combinations.
Sir, understand.
3 plus 7, sir?
3 plus 7.
Sir, 4 plus 6.
4 plus
Plus
6.
6 and finally
5 plus
Sir,
5 plus
Sir,
5.
those are the same
2
ones
plus
that
8.
you told.
can anybody give other than these 5 pairs?
No.
Sir.
Sir, 11 plus
in integers also.
Form 10. Form 10. Don't use any other operator other than plus.
Sir, 11
0 plus 10, sir.
Sir,
0
11
plus
plus
10.
99. Sir, 11 plus 99, 33 plus
0 plus 10, that is okay, but 10 is not there. We have only 10 digits, so that is 0 to 9.
Sir, we can't, sir.
Yes, we cannot. We
We
can't.
can't, sir.
We
Sir,
have
10
only
plus
this 5.
0. Sir,
We have
10
only
plus
this
0.
one.
Sir,
If
10
you master these 5 combinations, then our Vedic maths will be very easy, very simple. Okay.
Sir, can
Practice
you give
these five pairs only. You practice this. You already know this, but keep it in mind as and when it is required. Simply
Okay.
immediately how to respond for this. Okay. Remember this one. We have only 5 pairs to form 10. We have only 5 pairs.
Okay, sir.
Right. How we got those 5 pairs also? Oh, let's see first. Yeah. See this one, digit combinations. Yeah. Here there are the digits from 0 to 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we take two numbers at a time, how many combinations you can form?
Sir?
Minimum
There are
5.
0 to 9. There are 0 to 9. 10 digits are there. 10 digits are there. If we take two numbers at a time, how many combinations we can frame?
5, sir. 5.
Hi, sir.
No. We
Sir,
can
5
frame
into 5 is 10, no, sir.
100 combinations we can take.
Sir, we can frame 10 combinations.
No, 100. We have to combine first 0. See here. First 0 is combined with 0. Later 0 combined with 1.
0
Later,
plus 1.
later 3,
After
4,
0
5,
plus
6,
2.
7. After 9 are over, then come to 1. 1 combined with a 0. Then 1 combined
0.
with 2, 3,
1.
4. Up to 9 is over. Again come to 2.
0.
2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. In this way, we can form 100 combinations. Actually, we have to deal with these 100 combinations. But just now we have mentioned one thing. Sum to 10. Sum to 10. How many numbers are sum to 10? Simply we are keeping them aside because we can identify them very easily, right?
Yes, sir.
So simply above this line, whatever the numbers are there, all those are sum to 10 only. Just check once, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means all of these
0 is
numbers
sum
are
of
very
10 and 1 is
easy.
also sum of 10.
How many numbers are there here? All green color numbers.
100. Sir, wait, sir.
Yeah, there are 64 numbers are there. Out of 100 numbers, 64 numbers are easy for us. Okay.
Sir,
And the
means up
remaining-
to 10. Sir, means up to 10.
Sum up to 10.
Sir, extra are 36.
Sorry. Remaining
Rest of are 36.
extra there are 36 numbers. In those 36 numbers also, we are somewhat familiar with the repeated numbers. 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, and
9 plus 9.
Yes, these are easy or not?
Easy. Yes, sir.
I'm removing 4 more. How many combinations are there?
4. 4.
Oh,
No. We are removing them also as considering easy. We'll
So-
concentrate on the difficult one.
means still there are 32, sir. 32.
Sir, 32.
Yeah, still there are 32. In those
32.
32 also, I don't need to consider this 2 plus 9. Because, anybody tell me, I don't need to consider this 2 plus 9. Because
It's
But
simple.
the sum is not
simple.
equal to 10.
because the 9
And
plus
sum
6 is
is
already there.
Okay.
Yeah, understood this point? Sir, already
Yes,
9 plus 2 is
sir.
there. Why we need to consider again 2 plus 9? Because both will be the same, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All of you
sir.
following or not?
Sir, even 3 plus 9 and 3 plus 8.
Sir, then 7 plus 9
Yes, sir.
and
3
9 plus
plus
7
9 also,
also.
sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Very good.
even 7 plus 9 and 9 plus 7 also.
8 plus
7 plus
9
9
also,
and
sir.
9.
7, 4 plus 8.
And 4 plus 8 also, sir. 4 plus
Yeah,
8.
whatever you are telling, all those are already given in the orange color. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, if we remove all those orange color numbers also, how many numbers are there in orange color? Count them first.
Sir, there are 9 and
Sir,
16, sir.
Yeah, anytime count
16.
two numbers at a time. Two numbers at a time.
13.
13.
13.
13.
19, sir.
17, sir.
Sir, it's 16.
17, sir.
Yeah, it is 16. Count correctly.
Yes, sir, 16.
Full counting.
16,
Four,
sir.
five.
2.
Can I take these 16 numbers also easy?
2.
Sir, 16, sir. 16, sir.
Yeah, 16 numbers. Okay, okay. Can I consider these 16 numbers also easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these 16 numbers also easy. And how many are remaining now?
Sir,
Out of 100,
16 are remaining,
are
sir.
natural addition.
16 are
19,
remaining.
sir.
Out of 100 numbers, 64 are
are
natural
remaining.
additions. Means they are below 10 only. Some below 10 only, up to 10 only. And of them, 64. If you remove 64, remaining numbers are 36. In those 36 also, these 4 are repeated numbers. That is why we are considering them also as easy. And if you
Higher
keep them
than
aside,
4 plus 4,
the
5
remaining
plus
numbers
4
are
is also
32. In those 32 also, there are repeated additions are there. Means of 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5, 4 plus 7, 7 plus 4. Like this, repeated additions are there. So out of 32, 16 are repeated, and the remaining 16 we need to concentrate. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood this point?
Yes, sir.
1 second, it is moving.
Sir, but 3 plus 7 and 7 plus 3 are same, no, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
even 4 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is also same, no, sir.
5 plus 3
Where it
and
is covered. In this 16, they are not there. Whatever you are telling, they are
But how
not
we
there.
can divide, sir? But how we can divide only this 16 as
in 1, 7 plus 3.
Yeah,
7
that is what I am telling now. See, one time
Yes, 7 plus 9.
telling again.
this, sir.
Once again, I am telling. Total, there are how many combinations?
There are 10 combinations.
100. Out of 100, all these green color numbers, why we have separated them? Why we have ignoring them? Why
It
we
is
are
an
ignoring
answer.
them? Because their sum is below 10, up to 10 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, numbers up to 10 is very easy.
Yes, sir.
Sum up to 10 is very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you count all these green color numbers, they will be 64. Out of 100 combinations, I am removing these 64 numbers. And the remaining numbers are 36.
36.
They are below this purple line. They are 36 numbers. Of these 36 numbers also, I am considering these numbers also, these 4 numbers also as easy. Because
7 numbers, sir.
they are same numbers.
3.
6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, and 9 plus 9. They are easy. If you keep them also aside, then the remaining numbers.
Sir, green are 64. Sir, green numbers are 64.
Sorry. Not
Sir,
out
green
of
color
60.
numbers are 64.
Yes.
Remaining numbers are 36 only. No? 64 numbers are easy. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Yeah. And the remaining 32. Of those 32 also, 16 combinations are there. Actually, there are 16
Yes, sir,
combinations.
32. And
16 are repeated. The same 16 are
remaining only we have
16 finally.
yes, sir, 16.
16.
Yeah, just we need to concentrate on these 16 combinations only. Yes. Are you ready
Yes, sir.
to combine,
Yes, sir.
to concentrate on these 16 numbers? With 16
Yes,
combinations?
sir.
And
Yes, sir,
complete,
ready.
these Vedic maths techniques are based on these 16 combinations only. Not these 16 sutras. 16 sutras are different, but depends more dependency on these 16 combinations only. Okay. We're going for another page. Is there any more doubts in this page?
No,
No doubt,
sir.
sir.
No doubts.
Sorry.
Sir, but the time is less. Sir.
But there are no doubts.
There are no doubts. Okay. Next, our concept is
Sir, we will do this.
end numbers. End
7
numbers.
plus 8 is equals to 15.
Yeah, one time see here. 7 plus 8 equal to.
Is equals to 15.
You already very well known this one. What is the answer?
15.
Yes. All of you have given answer. All of you have given answer. Whatever you learned from the childhood, right? 7 plus 8 equal to 15.
Yes,
Simply.
sir.
But now
Sir, no,
onwards,
sir, 7 into 2 is equals to 14 plus 1 is equals to 14.
now onwards you have to change your approach. Somewhat slight variation is there. Okay. The same question and same answer will try in another way. Okay. See how we are going to write the how we are going to take these things. We know 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on 10 only, based on 10 we are going to solve the questions.
Sir, 10
much-
plus 5.
How much is required for 7 to become 10?
That's
Once again.
Sir, 3.
3, sir.
Yeah. From where we'll take that 3?
We will get 10. Sir,
From
7 plus 3 is
From
Yes,
where
sir.
we'll get that 3?
Because
From 8. Okay, I want to make this 7 to be 10. Okay. How much is required? 3 is required. I'll take that 3 from 8. Then this will be
5.
5. So this 7 plus 3 is already 10. And plus this 5 is?
50. Sir, 50.
Yes, 15. So 15 is your answer. But my intention here is, I am telling that just change your approach. Just change your approach. Change the problem solving way. Okay.
Sir, from 8 we will take 3, so it become 10, and the remaining is 5, so 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. That's
Yes.
it.
Sir, 5 we should take
Can
per
you-
8. 5.
Can you tell me another way?
Because sir, Sai Karthikeya asked one doubt, why we should take 5? Because when we will take 3 from 8, the remaining is 5.
Yes, correct.
So 10 plus 5 is equals to 15.
Yes. I'm giving another way. Sir, why to
do 8 plus 7, sir. 8 plus 7 in reverse.
see one more thing here. Sir, why to make this 7 10, sir? I want to make 8 10. Okay.
Huh?
How much is
8
required
into
to
10.
take
Okay, we will take 2.
How
So
much?
the remaining is 5.
2 here? From where we
yes,
bought
sir.
Sir, we
got this
need to do
2?
From
reverse.
7,
Five,
from
sir.
7 we'll
From
bought that 2, so it will remain 5.
It
If
remains
we
5
2,
and
it will be
10. 10 plus 5 is equals to
So
15.
we get
yeah,
5.
it is again a 10. 10 plus this 5 is
So
15
we will
again.
get same because we did only upside down.
Yes, yes. So simply our intention is to make it 10. Means
Yes.
from the next slide, I'll give that one. Okay. As of now, tell me the end numbers. End numbers means in 15, what is the end number?
Sir,
5.
5, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. Why we should take as 10?
Sorry.
Sir, why we should take as 10? Because 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. No? Why we should take 10 and
8 is going backside. Wait,
add 5? We can take 11 or 12.
Sir is showing only the small. No, it can.
Yes, sir, now it can.
Yes.
Primary.
These Vedic sutras are based on. Vedic sutras are designed such that the questions based on 10 multiples, powers of 10. 10 powers, 10 power 1 is how much? 10 power 1 is?
10 power 1.
How much?
It's 10 only, sir.
10 only.
10 power 2.
10 into 1. 20.
100,
power
sir.
2.
100.
Sir,
100,
100.
sir.
Nothing but
Okay,
10 into
okay.
10.
Because the parts like square, so you have to multiply the number with the number itself.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
To get a square
100
number,
square
we have to
means
multiply the
100
same number.
With itself.
10 into 10 is equals to 100.
100.
And 100 into 100 is
If we again multiply with the 10,
1000. 1000.
we again multiply with 10.
10,000.
10,000.
It goes on like that.
So this is nothing but
Sir, and like that there are cubes
Okay, sir.
and
When we'll take
part
10,
four
it
and
is easy
part
to.
wait.
And
One
when
by
we take,
one by one.
Sir, when we take 10, it is easy to understand.
When? Sorry?
When we take 10 as when we take
Base.
10, it is
10 as
easy
the
to
base.
understand.
Yes, sir. First we'll take in the basic level, we'll take 10 as the base. Sir. Later we'll take the 10 into 10. Nothing but 100 will take as a base. In the later stages, 1000 will take as a base. Okay.
Yes.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Who asked this doubt? Why we have to take only 10, sir?
Sir,
Sorry?
Ritvik, sir.
Ritvik. Okay. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Because these sutras, Vedic sutras are designed in such a way that if we take 10 base or a 10 powers base, then it will be, all these things will be applicable.
Okay.
Right. Next is 7 plus 8 is how much? We already derived it just now.
Yes, sir.
7 plus 8 is 15. In that 15, what is the end number?
5.
5.
Simply
5.
we'll write 5 here. Just
Sir,
ignore,
next to me, 1.
ignore all the digits. So whatever maybe the digits, ignore all those digits. Simply take the last digit. That is the end digit, end numbers. Yeah.
Okay,
Now tell me 9 plus 2 is how much?
11.
11. The end digit is
1.
4 plus 9. End digit is?
1.
1.
Sorry.
1, sir.
1.
3, not 1. 4 plus 9.
Sir, I'm telling 9 plus 2, sir.
Just split
651. Figure is 1.
1.
Sir, 1 is 1.
1.
1. 3 plus 9.
The next one is also 1.
1 is
2.
2.
4 plus 7.
1.
1. 8 plus 3.
1.
8 plus 8.
1, sir.
8 plus 9.
4.
3.
Yeah, is it 4?
Yes, 3.
3. Sorry.
Next is
6.
6.
6.
6 and 5.
5, sir.
5.
yeah.
Sir,
Likewise.
2.
Okay.
2, sir, 2.
2.
0.
0.
Wait.
2.
2 0 2 3 2 3
Sir, I have a
7
doubt.
Yeah, tell me how.
4 5
5 7 2.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Like for
7.
2 plus 8, shall I write 0?
4.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah,
Because
we
the
have to
last
write
digit is
0
zero.
only. 2 plus 8 is how much actually?
10.
It's 10.
10. In that 10, what is the end digit?
0.
0 is the end digit. For 2 plus 8, it is 0 only.
Okay.
Okay.
The time is up.
5 plus.
Time again. Oh, it's 5 7.
Sir, we'll do this and go, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You complete it. I'll send the PDF. You complete it.
Okay, sir. 2. Next one is 2. And next one is 2. And
Later you can complete. Now see one more
3
video.
and also
Wait.
7.
So see, read this one.
9 plus 1. Sir, end
numbers.
numbers of
End numbers of
observation with the
observation.
combination
Numbers
of
with the
5.
nine combination.
9.
Sir, already all these things are given in the previous slide. Again, you are mentioning why it is such. So just tell me the end numbers for these combinations.
Sir, it's 9. 0, 1, 2, 3.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8.
4, 5,
5, 6, 7,
Observed
8.
anything special?
Yes, sir, because
Yes,
the
sir.
9
Continuous of numbers.
Don't say the
continuous of
sequence.
numbers are going.
Don't say the sequence. I may ask anywhere, in any direction. Suppose it may be 9 plus 4 first. I may ask 9 plus 9 next. I may ask 9 plus 1. What is the specialty?
0.
Sir, what is this?
So 9 plus 4 is how much? Any digit?
Sir,
Three.
it's
Three. The last
Three.
digit is
9
three.
plus 9 is?
8.
9 plus 1 is?
Zero.
Okay, if you observe, whatever the number is combining with the 9, it becomes just one less.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Less to 1.
Yes, 9 plus 6 will be?
If we'll take 7,
9 plus 6 will be 15.
15, sir.
15,
One
sir,
minus.
because
15, not 8, 5.
Five.
And it is it 5.
yes, sir.
9 plus 7 will be?
9
7. Any digit?
6.
Okay.
9
In that
plus 8
way,
will be 7. 9 plus 9
this
will be
is somewhat special. That's why I have given in a separate page. Okay.
okay, sir.
Right. Tomorrow we'll start
Okay, sir.
from Purna
Okay,
Purnabhyam.
Sir? Purna
Purnabhyam. Purna Purnabhyam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So,
What is
and
that?
one more thing here,
Okay, sir.
Ekadikena Purvena, it is not completed. In the basic level also we'll use the same sutra. Even in the higher end also we'll use the same sutra. So as it when it comes, I'll mention that one. It is based on this sutra. I'll mention that point. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, right.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Have a nice day, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Practice
day.
these two things. Okay.
Have a nice
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Wait,
sir.
wait,
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Wait. I'll give a number. Suppose some 50. You have to write this 50 with the two number combinations. With the two
Sir,
number
5 and 10, sir. 5 and 10.
40.
5 and 0.
50. It is not 5. It is 50. You have to write it two number combinations. Any more possible?
50 plus
It's all
1, 50
possible.
plus 2, 50 plus 3, like that, sir.
Not 2
Or
plus
like
3.
10.
It is 20 plus 30.
Okay,
20
okay,
plus
sir.
30,
Okay.
sir. In
10
four
plus
divided
40, sir, like this.
10 plus 40 like
and
that.
then 20.
10 plus 40,
If five
25,
means,
25 plus 25,
Is 11
30
plus
by
39
20,
also.
20
Or
plus 30,
otherwise
11 by 39, 12 by 38. Sir, how many we should write, sir? Sir, how many we should write, sir?
How many are possible? I'll write all those things. Okay.
Sir,
Just for
sir,
practice.
42 plus 40.
sir,
42
tell
plus
50 not 10, sir, because all are.
No problem. Write possible ways, all possible ways for 50. Okay.
Sir, then we need to give you, sir.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Huh?
Sir, we will send you, sir.
No need to give. Just practice it at home.
Okay, sir.
Write a minimum 15.
Write all possible combinations.
Sir,
Okay.
there will be minimum. There will be
sir.
minimum. I think so
Okay, sir.
49.
Okay, right.
49.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a
Bye,
nice
sir.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.